We've gotten so lucky. We got friends in the construction business, and they'll call us when they come across something interesting, and they're working on a drainage ditch, and they dug up some rock and some ash, and some of that rock is burned. So they started looking, and they picked up some points. Down here on this end is where it all began. This place is actually about 3.5 hours from where I live, and we had come down here to metal detect for sharps, bullets, and eagle buttons at a suspected campsite, and we wasn't having much luck. And these guys on this construction crew called my friend where we were staying and told him that they had cut through some rock and some ashy soil, that midden rock or burned rock. And luckily they watch for that stuff. They know what it is. So we dropped metal detecting all together and came down here with rakes. And when they cut this ditch, when they got down here to this bend, they started seeing that burned rock over there. And then it just got better and better. So before they left yesterday, they took the pile they was spreading out for us, and they used that maintainer and put it in a ridge so we can just rake it back. So Jess just dug this out right here in that little ridge they made for us yesterday with that maintainer. Points everywhere, people. We've been out here, well, probably about an hour today, just digging around, scratching with rakes. And I got this is all from today right here. This was yesterday. So we got the tip to a Kenny, got a reworked Pertinalis, little, I don't know what that was. Jess got this Pertinalis. It's probably been reworked down to that point. Normally they're a little longer than that. Got a broken blade or scraper. I got these two big things. I don't know what this could have been, but that would have been nice if it wasn't broke. But let's walk over here and I'll show you the ditches. I heard that when you find these snails, rhabdoti or something like that, rhabdoti, that you're in a good spot, because they supposedly they ate those things. I don't know if that's true or not. I heard that from a veteran arrowhead hunter. So what they're doing for us, they got that top 18 inches has got that ashy dirt, the rock, and that's where all the relics are coming from. But they're taking that top layer off where the good stuff is, and they're spreading it on this side for us, as you can see. So we're just raking through this stuff as he gets to the point where he cuts all that shit off. And they're digging that big ditch as drainage, and the other side is just like sterile dirt from the bottom. So they're putting the good stuff on this side for us to rake in, and the sterile dirt on the other side. Look at Wayne, he's cheating. Wayne's down here digging in the sidewall. Jess just picked this one up. It just rolled out of the pile, and he's dumping more of that use layer for us. Look at that. Boy, that would have been a good one. Right here on the edge. Wayne's digging in the sidewall. What'd you get, Wayne?
Yeah, I broke his chip.
Oh, nice. Digging in the... Here's Jess's pile, now that we've been here a few more hours. You got a couple of nice ones that aren't broke. So close. Wayne got another one. Nice. Woo. Every time they do this, there's good stuff in this dark dirt. Boy, it's good to have friends in the construction business. Oh my God, look what he dug up. He spotted that from the track hoe. Good job, Quentin. Woo! Wayne's killing it on this end of the ditch. Look at that. It's laying right there in the dirt. While they're taking a break, we'll go down and look at this ditch they're digging. You can see this layer right here where it's divided. They've been picking at it a little bit down here, picking along this use layer. A lot of stone in here. That's a really burned rock here. Here's a good one. He's about ready to shave off another slice of that good use layer. Spread it out for it, like we don't have enough to dig already. We get all excited every time he takes a new layer off, but we ain't even made a dent in all this out here. What's sad about this whole ordeal is there's just two of us raking for now. They can't rake until after 5. And all this dirt is full of stuff, and it's just going to end up getting covered back up. There's just no way to cover it all. We're just tip of the iceberg, barely even scratching the surface. But all this dirt over there and all this dirt is going in another ditch on the other side of this construction site to fill it in. What I wouldn't give to have a big old power screen right now. That use layer coming down this slope where they're headed with the track hoe, they're bringing this drainage ditch. They're going to cut through here and dump it out in that basin down there, but you can see the stuff's getting real shallow now. So as he moves this way, we're going to get into some more good stuff. This is they dug this just for fun. They got to fill it back in. But you can see where they had come across some of this midden rock. You can see it in there. Here's some burned rock. And so they kind of dug this little test trench. But what's great about this is these guys, they hunt arrowheads too. And so they've really been digging with that in mind, and it really helps us find some stuff. Oh, they're hollering. We got something good. Oh, it came out of the ditch. Oh, wow. That is nice. Did it come out of the wall or deep?
No, right there. I seen him. He was fixing to pick it up. Like,
oh, okay. Woo!
Dude, that thing is. That's beautiful.
That is. Look how thin that is. Nice.